Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. When people are fast, you think say them fi ugly up themselves? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right, yeah, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 6 from verse 16 to verse 18. When you keep away from food for worship God, nobody long down on your face like the hypocrite them. Them ugly up themselves so people will see say fast, them a fast. But tell you this, and I chew me attack. Them nah nothing more I get. When you keep away from food for worship God, I'll on head down wash your face, man. So everybody no see say a fast no a fast, but Uncle God one when nobody can see. And on Father when nobody can see, we see where uno do and go no wanna forget. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.